YouTube family, hello fam, how are you? Hope you're all doing well. You're having amazing do you know how to celebrate? Is it Easter? Yes, Easter it is. So guys, welcome to another cooking video. I want to show you guys how to do omelette. Mayai ya nyanya, that's the name, and it's such a quick fix. Hii hata itakangi maneno mingi. Hii hata ukipika within 15 minutes food yako ishaiva. So guys, remember to subscribe, comment, share, like my videos guys, and thank you for the love that you've been showing me on my past videos and for my lives guys. And here's the thing, if you've never come to my live, just know that I hold on lives. Yes, I'm trying to at least push my YouTube channel by going on lives doing maybe 1 to 3 years guys. So the next time I'm going to be on live, I'm going to try and premiere it so that you can know when I'm going to go live, maybe in the next 30 minutes or maybe in 1 hour, right guys? Yes. So guys, let me show you the ingredients. You see the way my skin is skinning? Let me show you guys the ingredients. So guys, I said it's an easy fix. So we have our onions here. This is 1 onion. Nyanya, I'm going to add some more, and I have 5 eggs and I have a Royco cube. Now when I'm doing these eggs, I like to add Royco cube because kuna venye mayai has a certain type of flavor kale kwa umbali. Is that I know maybe you know that taste, so I like to get it rid with this. But if you don't, kama mayai huwa kusumbui, then you can forgo this one. Okay guys, so you're going to need, and of course, cooking oil and a sufuria, and if you have dania, well and good. So guys, our first step, let me show you guys my first step. As you're going to cook, I'm going to show you a certain tip. Yes, I'm going to show you guys a certain tip. So let me place my camera and then we start cooking guys. And guys, tell me if you have a certain sufuria for cooking your eggs, because I have a certain sufuria for cooking eggs. Kusababu, I don't like the outcome when you're cooking maybe something like cabbage. And then kuna hiyo smell fulani ya mayai. So my first step, I'm going to heat up my oil, add in the onions, let them cook, be a bit soggy, then add in the tomatoes. All I'm saying. kabisa. I don't like to see these big chunks like this, especially when I'm cooking omelette. Now the tip, guys, I was telling you is, if you like the big chunky eggs, your omelette, the big ones, when you add in your eggs, don't stir it just yet. Unanipata? What I'm saying is, after you pour in your eggs to your tomatoes, don't stir it. Cover it for like 2 minutes. Wacha ifure kidogo, and then you pat it like this, and then you're going to have the big chunks. But for me, because I like the small ones, nitakoroga once I add in the eggs. Yep. So hivi viko sawa. Yes. So mine, because I like the small pieces, when I add in, stirring like this. But if you don't like the small ones, you just cover your eggs and then wait for them to puff kidogo, and then you separate them like this, and then you're going to have those big chunks of eggs. So mine, and then I do that on low heat. When it's like that, guys, I'm going to cover, give it few minutes, and alafu nitatoa. Sasa guys, kama ni tule tudogo. And just like that, guys, your eggs are ready to be served. So guys, I'm going to plate these and then show you guys how they look on the plate with some ugali.